Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Grok Memory feature. Are you tired of having to repeat your preferences every time you chat with Grok? Well, enabling the Grok Memory feature will change all that. This feature is designed to make your interactions with the AI more personalized and efficient by learning from your conversation history. As a result, Grok will be able to remember your preferences, understand context better across different chats, and ultimately save you valuable time. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to enable this feature. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you like to use. Once you're on your browser, head over to the search bar and type in Grok. Press Enter, and this will quickly lead you to the official Grok website if you haven't already bookmarked it. It's crucial to ensure that you're visiting the legitimate site, so look for recognizable branding and steer clear of sponsored links that do not clearly reference the official service. Upon finding the correct link, click it to open the Grok web app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do so using your existing account credentials. Once signed in, you may be greeted by a home screen or perhaps your most recent chat. Allow the page a few moments to fully load so that all necessary menus are accessible to you. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should find your profile icon, which might appear as a small avatar or a circular icon. Click on this icon, and a menu should pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This section is where Grok organizes its account, interface, and privacy options. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Simply look for a gear icon labeled Settings in the sidebar. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate and select Data Control. This specific section is focused on privacy, storage, and how your data is utilized to enhance your experience with Grok. Here, you can review and adjust your consent options to ensure that Grok manages your data in a way that you're comfortable with. Finally, within the Data Control section, search for an option labeled Personalize Grok with your conversation history and toggle it on. Enabling this option means that Grok can now use both your past and future chats to provide more refined answers, remember your preferences, and offer suggestions tailored to your style. Once you toggle this setting, you should notice the switch change state immediately. Most versions of the app will save this change automatically without requiring you to click a separate save button. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. If at any point you decide you want to stop personalization, simply return to the same data control area and toggle the setting off. It's important to remember that the exact wording or location of this option might change with app updates. However, it will always be found under Settings, then Data Control. If you don't see the option right away, try refreshing the page, signing back in, or ensuring you're using the latest version of the app. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled Grok's memory feature, paving the way for a more personalized and context-aware interaction with the AI. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to enable the Grok Memory feature quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.